Hello everyone, this is a quick introduction on our new tool named Camedin, which is going to be used throughout all the lab sessions. Actually, this is the first year that we are using Camedin, of course, in this course, and we're expecting that's going to help us assist you faster, more efficiently, and better. Okay, so this is Camedin.com. You don't need to go to Camedin.com try to log in as a student. What you need is just a link and a password, which I assume have already been sent to you. I've copied the link address, so I just paste it here. Yes. So if you're already in an active lab session, then you would get a view like this. Otherwise, it would be some other view which gives you information about the next upcoming lab session and some specific information about that session. Okay, at the right panel, you would see the names of all the lab assistants. You can click on any of the names. By that, you can send an email to that specific lab assistant, and that helps when you want to communicate with that assistant or send in some lab assignment or the project. So I assume it's gonna make life a little bit easier. Okay. So at the bottom, you would see the total number of the lab sessions and the total number of the left lab sessions. Technically, we're going to have only 18 lab sessions, but I have added some demo lab session to record this video, so it's going to be 18 once you're in the first lab session. Here, you would get some specific information about the current lab session. So technically, it would give you information about that session, not something general. So it could be, for example, the booked room numbers. So if you want to just look for a room and just sit and start your work and just check here and see which rooms are booked for the current lab session. Okay, so let's get to the real deal here. The system works like this. We have a queue for each lab assistant. For example, here, if you have 5 lab assistants, then we have 5 queues. You can place yourself in any of the queues, but please remember, you cannot place yourself in multiple queues simultaneously. So if you're already in one queue and you want to place yourself in another queue, you need to just cancel the previous request and do the process again. Okay, so this number shows the total number of distance in the queue, and this number shows your place in the queue. Okay, for getting assistance, I need to click on the page button here, and you shall see some form. This is very important to just enter a complete set of information, required information. So it's going to help us to find you more easily and help you faster. Okay, so I enter my name, like Bill Gates, and then I enter my location. You can also enter the workstation number, but entering the room number is enough. But if you want to be more accurate, so the room number and the workstation number is technically the most complete set of information that you can enter about your location. Then the password, which is already sent to you, and then you select your assistant, just like that, and then you can click on OK. Oops, I'm in the queue, and so the total number of students is 1, and that's me. So if I want to cancel the current request, I can click on the cancel simply. If I feel technically that the queue is not moving forward, or it's not increasing or decreasing and it's been a long time I've been waiting, you can just click on the refresh button to just get the latest information about the queue. it's possible that the connection is lost. So if you once you click on the refresh, you get the latest information about your status in the queue. So okay, so once you've done that, so your lab assistant is equipped with some pager. So I need to log in to just open my pager. Okay, so I have one student in the queue. So when I click on it, I just can see your name. And oh, oops. Okay, this is one case that the queue is not being updated. So you just can click on the refresh and update the queue, and then I can just go for the next student. Next. So this works just like that, very simply. So I really hope that it's going to help us to assist you better. So if you experienced any difficulty, just give us your feedback during the lab session, so probably we can fix it and help you. Thanks for your time, and good luck with the labs.